Today we're going to be doing 1.7E2. So what we're going to do is we're going to start here. We see 3 minus 2, so that means I'm separating. So I'm going to have 3, I'm going to take away 2, 1, 2, and that leaves me with 1 left. I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm taking away 1. That leaves me with 3 left. For this one, I have 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm losing 3, 1, 2, 3. That leaves me with 1 left. I'm going to write that directly underneath those numbers. All right, so I'm going to show the number 3 in the 10 frame. 1, 2, 3. That means I'm going to put 3 dots or 3 circles or 3 X's, however you want to represent the number 3 in there. Today we're going to be writing the numbers 15 to 20. Make sure you start at the top and go down. So I'm going to do 15. Then I'm going to put a comma so I know I'm separating the numbers. 16, 17, 18, 19, and my last number is 20. Notice I'm using my best handwriting on that. We're going to write the digit to match the word. So this says 1, so I'm going to write the number 1. This says 3, so I'm going to write the number 3. This says 5, so I'm going to write the number 5. Flip this over. Jesse went to the library at the time shown on the analog clock below. What time did Jesse go to the library? Well, I see the shorthand, the hour hand is facing the 10, so I know it's at 10. I know my minute hand is on the 12, so it's going to be 10 o'clock, because when I see it on the 12, I really know that's o'clock. Which analog clock shows 7 o'clock? So I'm going to look. This is on the 1, so I know that's not 7 o'clock. This is on the 3, that's not 7 o'clock. This is on the 7, that is a possibility, and this is on the 12. Now I'm going to go back and check. Well, I see the hour hand's the 7, the minute hand's on the 12, so that is 7 o'clock. What time is shown on the analog clock? I see my hour hand is pointing to the 3. My minute hand is pointing at the 12, so that means it's 3 o'clock. And we're going to draw on the hands on the analog clock to show 6 o'clock. Because I know it's 6 o'clock, my minute hand or my longer hand is going to be facing the 12. My hour hand, my shorter hand is going to be facing the 6. Just like that.